Hi guys, this is TechGirl007. I hope you're doing great. So today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to reset your smart TV. So that's your Samsung Smart TV pen. Alright, so what you must have been doing then, so you must have been going through your settings to maybe update your TV or anything that you must do that needs your pen. Obviously, if you must have bought it from someone or something, if you must have bought your TV from someone, they must have changed the password or something. You know, it's no longer 000, which is the default, or 111 or whatever. So what you want to do is there's a couple of things that you need to do, but before that I want to let you know that if you've got any accounts that you have signed in with on your Samsung TV, select your Samsung account, they will just wipe it. You just need to enter your account details if you need to like download any apps or anything. Okay, so that's not a big issue. Alright, let's go ahead and see what we're doing. But before we do anything else, I just want to remove my aerial from the back of the TV. It's because so that when I'm on the TV channels or the actual page on the first page, that it doesn't bring up any TV channels. So alright, so it doesn't strike on YouTube for any copyright issues. Alright, so yeah, let's just do that first of all. Alright, so just for example, let's go on to some of the settings. So you go onto the menu and then you go down to where it says general. Alright, so it will bring up another page, and let's go on to where it says start setup. And in here it's asking for your pen. Obviously you tried the 0000, it doesn't work. You try a different pen, it doesn't work. So you can see in there it says the pen you entered is incorrect. So try again with 111, with whatever you might think might be right, and still it doesn't work. Okay, so now you just want to cancel it, and then you want to go just back, and you want to come down to you want to go on to where it says system manager. Alright, so you're attempting to go into the managerial options to see if you can actually reset the password. So you go down to where it says change pen. Keep saying password, but it's pen actually. It doesn't matter. Right, so you want to try to write 000 again and again, still giving you the same issues. Okay, I've had enough. Let's try something else. Press cancel. We'll just turn off the TV for now. Sometimes the remote doesn't work. Alright. So now before we do anything further, we would like to show you, I would like to show you some things that you could do with different remotes. There are three things I'm going to show you guys, because first of all I'm going to show you guys an old version of what I found on the internet, which obviously didn't work for my remote, because I think that worked for old TVs. And then I'll show you another option which you can try with a little bit older remote control, which works some TVs. And then the newer version, which I have, which is probably the latest one, I'm not sure, but this is what I have, you know, so it should work this time. Okay, alright, so let's go ahead and see what we're doing. Alright, so this is the first version where it shows you guys to press some buttons and then something should come up on the screen. So previously on the internet I'll just search for any other options, but this is what I found. So it says you press first of all on mute and then 824 power. I tried that on my TV. It didn't work because as soon as I was pressing 8, it would just bring up a channel 8, so it didn't work for me. Right, so let's move on to the next picture. Right, this one is a little bit older remote control, but it's got all, you know, the options and stuff that I want to try. So first of all, you want to press on your info button, then you want to press on the settings, then mute, and then power on. This should work for your TV, and otherwise if you got the newer version, then let's try the other one. But before going to the third and last option, I'd like to just request you guys to go onto my second channel, which is a cooking and natural remedies channel, which obviously shows you how to do like certain types of cooking and also some remedies that can actually cure your illnesses. So they're all natural, and yeah, take care. I'll have the link on the description box below, and you can see on the screen as well. Thank you. Okay, so this is the new version that I've got, and also in here it says first of all you need to press info, menu, mute, and the power on button. Alright, so after you've tried all of that, I will just demonstrate it. Your TV should turn on and it should give you some options on the screen. You should wait for like a second. Alright, so obviously you have to try these options when your TV is turned off. So now that you're pressing the info, menu, mute, and on button, you should get a screen. Your TV should turn on, and then you should get this blue screen, which the first option would be options. You know. Now in here, you want to press on the option. So like the first option, which is options, and then you should get another option that says factory reset, and you just press on the factory reset, and then this should turn off your TV and it should factory reset it to its default settings. Like for example, how you bought it, it would just be as new as out of the box. So whatever apps and everything they must have downloaded, it will be deleted, but you have to install it back on again, so then you can keep on going with your TV. Alright, so I hope that worked for you. Now you can go on to the change pin or try to change some settings. You should be able to reset your pen. Alright, so that's it guys. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it. And yeah, at the end I just want to remind you to not forget to go to my second channel, which is cooking time and natural remedies. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye bye.